In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a credit card on Simplii Financial. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser and search for Simplii.com. Simplii.com is the official website of Simplii Financial. On here, go ahead and scroll down, and once you scroll down, you'll be able to find credit card under what can we help you find. Click on credit card and that will redirect you into a new page where you'll be able to find more information about the credit card that Simplii Financial is offering. So just go ahead and click on that credit card button, which you'll find in between the accounts and mortgages. Now in this section, just go ahead and click on the apply now button, and you'll get redirected into a new page where you'll need to fill up all of the required information to be able to apply for a credit card on Simplii Financial. So go ahead and click on the apply now button. Now in this page, you'll be able to find the rates and fees of Simplii Financial under this PDF. So before you go ahead and start with the application, you'll need to accept these rates and fees. In this section, you'll be able to find the annual interest rates of Simplii Financial. This will allow you to get educated with their interest-free grace period and the minimum payment for each of your transactions, along with the foreign currency conversion and annual fees, along with the other fees that you pay with your credit card. So just go ahead and click on that accept button to proceed on your application on Simplii Financial. Now in this page, you'll need to enter all of the required information under the about you, such as your first name, last name, date of birth, your phone type, and your email address, along with your phone number or landline number. After that, you'll need to explain your living situation, such as your street address, city, province, postal code, your current living situation, and how long you've lived at that address that you've indicated in this section. On the job info, you'll need to enter your occupation category, employment status, and if you're a student or not. You also need to fill up the income section, such as your personal annual income and your spouse annual income if you have one. And you can add additional income sources in this section. In this section, you'll need to indicate your expenses. And here you'll need to select how do you want to receive your statement. And the last step would be the finishing touches. You'll need to read these e-documents before you agree with the above terms. Ensure that you know the company's policies before you apply for a credit card on this specific company. Once you have entered all of the required information, you can simply submit that application by clicking on the submit button, and that is how you can simply apply for a credit card on Simplii Financial. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.